everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to bake banana muffins. So we will go over the ingredients first. We need 4 bananas, 2 eggs, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half cup butter, 3/4 brown sugar. I already smashed the banana into the bowl, so it's ready to go, and I pour 1 cup in the bowl also. And I'm going to measure the 2nd cup of flour and put it in the bowl. Then we need 3 cups of sugar. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to pour butter. I melted butter in the microwave for 20 seconds. Okay, butter. 2 eggs. One teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon, so a little bit of salt. So this is ready to go. I'm going to mix them up. You can see the mixture is getting together, so we continue to mix it up. Okay. It looks very good, so I'm going to stop right here, and I prepare the pan with the baking cups. So I'm going to scoop into the pan. I'm going to use the ice cream scoop. Put it in the cup. 1. Okay, so you continue to fill it up. After you are done, you start baking in the oven 350 for 18 to 20 minutes. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my lesson today, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.